gang, welcome to your math class for April 1st. Today we're going to find missing addends for sums of 100. Now, that's our goal, but do you know what any of those words are? So I wanted to make sure that we remember our math vocabulary, because math is a language and we need to know that language. All right, so if we add numbers together, these two numbers are called addends. Okay, you're adding, so you're going to call them addends, all right? And then your answer is going to be a sum. So in case you didn't remember that or you never knew that, we needed to make sure we understood that. Now, so if I have 3 plus 3, that equals 6. We're all on board with that, right? All right, let's say I have another problem. What do I do with the marker? Oh, I have it in my hand. All right, I'm going to figure out the missing addend for this, but I'm going to change this one up. Okay, now, so I still have 6 markers, right? But one of my addends is 4, okay? So I'm changing one of my addends from 3 to 4. Okay, so what am I going to have to adjust in order for it to still equal 6? The other addend, is it still going to be 3? No, because I took one of them away and put it over here. So I'm adjusting for this to be a 2 now. Okay, I still have 6 altogether, but I don't have them broke up into 3 and 3. I'm moving them around. Think of it like a scale. You know, the scales where they have to be even. Okay, so what my sum is has to equal, so my 6 has to equal what's on the other side of the equal sign, which is my 4, and then my missing addend will be 2. Okay, so I'm just moving them around. I'm moving my numbers around. So that will be a 2. All right, so we did it on a simple problem, because now we're going to do it with addends that equal 100. All right, so we all know that 50 plus 50 equals 100. If I have 50 markers plus 50 more, that equals 100. All right, and we're going to keep them balanced, okay? So if I take 1 away from this 50 and make it 49, what am I going to do with that 1? I'm going to add it to this side, aren't I, to keep it even? So 51, okay? And then what if I take 2 away from this 50 and make it 48? I'm going to have to do something with those 2. So I'm going to add it to the 50 and make it 52, okay? And then down here I have 53, so I added 3 to this 50, so that means I took some away from over here. How many did I take away? I took 3 away. So if I take 3 away from this, what do I have left? 50, 49, 48, 47, okay? To keep it balanced, to keep it 100 over here and 100 over here. But all I'm doing is moving my numbers around, making, but they're still equal to 100. All right, so now there's a trick to finding your missing addend for sums that equal 100. If you look, let's start with this one. Here's your ones place. 9 plus 1 is what? 10. Let's look at these ones place. 8 plus 2 is 10. And this ones place. 7 plus 3 is 10. Okay, so they're all 10 friends. So you know that when you add the ones together, you're going to have a 10 because you need a 0, right? Okay, when you're adding them together, you're going to need a 0 in the ones place. And with your 10, you have that. And then you're going to carry the 1 to your tens place. So what do you need your tens place when you add them together to equal? Because you're after this 10 right here, but you're going to have a 1 that's carried. So you want your tens place to add to 9, okay? I know this may be a little confusing, but just hang in there with me. I have to explain it first, and then we'll keep at it. All right, so let's check that. Is 4 plus 5, 9? Yes, my tens place. Is 4 plus 5, 9? Yes. Is 4 plus 5, 9? Yes, it is. So that's why, because the ones place add together to 10, and our tens place add together to make 9. And if you were to add them together vertically, then it would equal 100. So let's try that with some problems and see if this trick works. So we want our ones to add up to 10, and we want our tens place to add up to 9. Okay, everybody got that in their shotgun noggins? All right. So let's look at 29 plus something is going to give me 100. All right, so I need my ones place to add to 10. So here's my ones place. What do I need to add to 9 to make it 10? I need a 1. What do I need to add to 2 to make a 9? 7. We found our missing add-in. Let's check it and see if we're right. All right, if I have 71 plus 29. 9 plus 1 is 10, so here's my 0 that I need. I'm going to carry that 1. 7, 8, 9, plus 1 more. Ta-da! Yay! This is kind of fun. I like this. All right, let's try another one. Let's do 74 plus some missing add-in equals 100. Let's do ones place first. We want our ones to add up to 10. So what's the tens friend for 4? 6. And then we want our tens place, this number here and this number, to equal 9. What do I add to 7? I'm going to add 2. All right, let's double check. 6 plus 4 is 10. Keep my 0, carry my 1. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Yay, we got that right. All right, about to run out of time, so I'm going to do one more, okay? Now, I want you to be thinking about, how does math help us think about God? And obviously, because something plus 23 is going to equal 100, and we can count on that, just as we can count on our Heavenly Father to stay constant and always to be the same yesterday, today, and tomorrow. So we're a little bit backwards. We have the missing number here, but I'm still 3 plus what? What 10 friend would I need to go over here? Well, 3's other friend is 7 to equal 10. And then my tens place needs to equal 9. So what do I add to 2 to make 9? That would be 7. Let's try it. 77 plus 23. 7 plus 3 is 10. Keep my 0. Oh, I didn't put my 100 over here. Carry my 1, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, I hope y'all have fun with that. You're going to do lesson 106, A side and B side. And I think you have 2 timed sheets. I have that written down, but double check me on that. I'm not real sure. I want you to practice your subtraction flashcards and work on extra math if you are working on extra math and getting faster. All right, have an excellent day.